Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. If you don't know me already, I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. So one of my most popular plugins is Newsomatic, and I just updated it. I added a new cool feature to it. So starting from now, it will be able to search content based on titles. So until now, you could search for content using the plugin, but the keywords you entered was matched with the title and both the description of imported articles and the content. So starting from now, you can match only the title, or you can also match the old style where you match the words from title and from the description. So let me show you how this will work. The update will be found in the custom news to post plugin menu. So let me create a rule: import any content, only one article to demonstration purposes only, and click settings. And you will see a new settings field in the latest plugin updates: search query string, article title only. So this will import articles with a specific word in their title. So let us search, for example, for flower. So the plugin now will import content with the word flower in the post content. So let us save settings. Let us check our blog to see if it is empty. And now let's run importing. Importing shouldn't take long, and it is already finished. And now here it is, flower, as you can see. So this is a customer request because many of the customers of the plugin complain that they don't have control over the content that the plugin posts, and I came up with this new idea that I will create a query string for title only, for imported title only. So this will give you more power in searching for custom articles. So if you want to search, let's say, for Microsoft, then the word Microsoft will need to be included in the title of the imported articles, which will give you a much more powerful search and importing for your blog. Also, if you want to match the title and the content of posts, you can use the old search query string method. Here, if you enter words, then it will search also the title and also the description and the content of posts. Keep in mind that you can also use advanced searches here. The advanced searches are like this. So if you want to search for crypto and Ethereum or Litecoin, not Bitcoin. So this will search for crypto and for Ethereum or Litecoin and not for Bitcoin. So in the title, the words crypto and Ethereum or Litecoin must be contained and never Bitcoin. So this is the advanced semantic for search. Also, if you want to exactly match content, then you should use apostrophes for the exact match. As an example, Bill Gates, like this. This will match Bill Gates. However, if you enter like this, then Bill and Gates will be matched separately, which will give you inexact results. So if you want to import content for Bill Gates, then use like this. Okay, so this is all for today's update. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar content and smash that like button. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.